Hello, everyone. Just let me give my brief introduction. I'm Sangeeta Kolle. I'm MSc Electronics and I was a lecturer in physics. I started trading in the year 2004 and started taking classes in share market since 2006. So I have an experience of more than 16 years. I do trading in intraday. I do trading in futures and options. I take long-term positions as well. That is, I do trade in delivery also. I'm NSE certified and all my certificates are uploaded on the site www.sharemarketcenter.com. So here are my details. This is my mobile number, my email ID, and this is the website www.sharemarketcenter.com. Here you will be able to see all my reviews. Those who have done the share market class with me, they have given the reviews here. You will be able to see all my NSE certificates here. Also, you will be able to see all the contents regarding the share courses. So, and a lot more. So this is all about my website. Regarding the course, I take a basic course, I take advanced course and the derivatives course. So those who are new to trading and they do not know anything about the shares and its investment, for them, I take the basic course. In the basic course, we start from what is meant by the shares. So in the basic course, I take all the basic knowledge of the shares, all the fundamentals which are required for stock picking, all the websites regarding the shares are shown, technical analysis. In the technical analysis, all the basic technicals are covered in the basic course. All basic indicators are covered. And using these technicals and indicators, you can predict when to buy and when to sell. Trading techniques are given, intraday techniques, mutual funds concept is given in short, so that you come to know about various kind of mutual funds. Practical training of online share trade is shown, so that you can place buy and sell orders on your trading account. An observation chart for practice is given. It is very essential to do paper trading before you start actual trading on your trading account. So those who are already trading, they can opt for advanced course, or after doing the basic course, if they want accuracy in trading, they can opt for this advanced course. In the advanced course, I take all the advanced websites, all advanced indicators, the trading techniques, all advanced trading techniques are shown, and to improve your accuracy in trading, then there's the selection of right shares at the right time. Tips for 1 month is given. Regarding the tips, I keep giving them whenever I find any scripts to buy. So you can join the WhatsApp group where other traders are trading. In the derivatives course, I take futures. All the formula for futures are given. Options, formula for options are taken in details. All the hedging strategies are shown. Then there is observation chart for practice, and in the practicals, all the websites where you will be able to see all the details regarding these futures and options. So to trade in derivatives, you should be able to trade well in cash. Means in cash, you should be able to buy at rupees 100 and you should be able to sell at rupees 106 or 110. So whatever you trade you are doing in cash, you have to apply the same in the derivatives. So unless you are successful in cash, there is no point in going to the derivatives directly. So derivatives is nothing but the application of your cash trades in futures and options. So the derivatives course is a 8 to 10 hours course, and this advanced course, it takes 3 to 4 days if taken 2 hours daily. Here also 8 to 10, here 3 to 4 days it takes if it is taken 2 hours daily. And the basic course, it requires 6 to 7 days. So if taken 2 hours daily. So along with the practicals. So this is all about the contents of the course. Even after the course is finished, you can come with the queries anytime afterwards. You can message me on the WhatsApp, or you can call, or just note down all the difficulties after you have done the course, and I will solve them all the queries in the query session. So I hope everyone watching will join the course and benefit from it. So this is all about my brief introduction and the introduction about the contents of the course. So let us go to the next session, where we will see what does share market mean and how it started. So thank you everyone. Thanks.
Let us see what is meant by the shares. Shares means a small portion of the money required to run a company. Suppose if a company needs 100 rupees to run. Out of that 100 rupees, 60% is with the company, 25% is with the FIIs and DIIs. The full form of the FIIs are the foreign institutional investors, and the full form of the DIIs are the domestic institutional investors. 10 to 15% is collected from the public. So public means we. So in this such big ocean, we are just a drop. So if we want to gain the profit, then we have to go along with these FIIs and DIIs, and for that we will be studying the technicals. If a company gains a profit, then we also gain the profit according to our investment. And if the company is in loss, then we also suffer the losses. So we will be studying in this course which companies to invest so that we do not suffer any losses. Now let us see what is meant by the market. The simple meaning of the market is where buying and selling take place. So share market is the place where shares are bought and sold. The main share market is in Mumbai. It is called Bombay Stock Exchange. So initially when the share market started, people used to go to Mumbai to buy and sell the shares. Later brokers came into existence in various cities like Pune, Nasik, Kolhapur. People used to go to the brokers in the respective cities and buy and sell the shares. So in this process, what used to happen, that if you are going to a broker in Pune and you are buying a share at rupees 120, and your sister is going to the Bombay Stock Exchange directly and she is buying the same share at rupees 100 on the same day. So people don't go to buy one share that 20 rupees will matter. Even if you are buying 100 shares, then the difference comes out to be 2000 rupees. So people started complaining about the brokers. And then SEBI came into existence. The full form of the SEBI is Security Exchange Board of India. So its website is www.sebigov.in. So if you have any complaint regarding the advisory services or any broker, you can register your complaint on this site. Nowadays, buying and selling transactions have become very easy due to the internet. We can buy and sell the shares on the net through the computer or the mobile from 9:15 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. The advantage of buying and selling the shares on the net is that we get the exact rate which is being quoted in the share market in Mumbai. There is no question of cheating and the transparency has increased. So the basic rule of the share market is just buy and sell. There is nothing here, and we can win over the share market if we know when to buy and when to sell. And all the complications which are there are due to the computers, due to the various indicators, technicals. So in this course, we will be studying where to collect the information about the shares, and let us see the points we will be discussing in this course. The things that will be covered during this course is that all the basic knowledge of shares will be covered, which companies to invest in, which brokers to choose, how to use the technical chart for buying and selling of the shares, which sites are useful for the selection of the shares, how and when to invest so that we do not suffer any losses, then how to place an order in the trading account, the practicals will be shown. Then practicals to operate the trading account will be shown. Observation chart for practice will be given so that you can practice how to trade. Intraday techniques will be shown. So after doing the course, you can contact me anytime to clear your queries and can come for further practicals after any period of time. So I am Sangeeta Kolle. I am NSE certified. I am trading since 2004. I am taking share market classes since 2006. All the details regarding the courses are given on the website. You can contact me on the mobile number 98815000379 if you have any further queries. Thank you.